Beginner's Guide to Online Business Options. In this video, we'll discuss online business ideas that could make you rich. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we go any further, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to build wealth every single week. There's more than one way to skin a cat, and there's more than one way to make money online. In fact, there are tons of ways. Here are a few ways to make money online. 1. Information or content sites. Basically, this is just what it sounds like, a website with lots of good information on a particular topic. How do you make money? There are several ways sites like this can make money. They can be monetized with Google AdSense ads. You can recommend affiliate products on content sites. You can also sell advertising on a busy site. 2. Product sales sites. This is a site that sells products, whether physical or digital. Physical products would include things that need to be shipped, like your lavender boo-boo salt that everyone raves about, or your store candles that don't pollute the air. Digital products would be things like an ebook that shares all your home, school, or discipline tips, or an audiobook or video that teaches someone how to do something faster, easier, or better. There are thousands of people online every day looking to buy cool stuff. Someone's got to sell it to them. Even if you don't make the product yourself, you can find companies that do dropshipping. 3. Service businesses. A service site would market some valuable service that you provide. For instance, parenting, coaching, or marriage counseling. With this kind of business, you're trading your time for dollars, but you can also learn to earn more money passively by incorporating affiliate products into your business. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's products or services for a commission. This kind of business has several advantages. 1. It's inexpensive to start. Affiliate programs are free to join. 2. There is no inventory to clutter up your home. 3. You can start an affiliate site and learn passive income. Once it is set up and getting steady traffic, you can go into maintenance mode and only update it rarely, yet still receive regular income from it. Are you enjoying the video? Be sure to leave a like and share with your friends. 5. Direct sales. Direct sales can be a great choice for someone who wants a built-in product, business plan, and support wrapped up in one package. Plus, the market research has already been done, and there are people interested in the product. If you're already building a direct sales business, why not take it to the web so the world can be a customer or a business prospect? Tons of people search online for business opportunities. There are a lot of advantages to taking your existing direct sales business to the web. 6. eBay business. Online auctions have made it possible for thousands of people to earn a full-time living on the internet. If you make your own product, whether a physical product or a digital one, it would be smart to do eBay at least part-time. It would be wise of you to take advantage of their traffic to increase exposure to your business. You can do eBay exclusively or combine it with other business ideas to increase your earning and exposure. 7. Podcasting. How do you make money? You earn money from advertising as well as from affiliate sales. For instance, let's say you interview a popular author in your show. You put a link to their products on Amazon.com on your site. People listen to the show and want to learn more, so they buy the book and you get a commission. You can also sell advertising space on your show's site, as well as on-air ad spots. As you can see, there are many ways you can earn income on the internet. Pick a business model that suits you and get started. Thank you for spending some time with the Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.